While everyone's chasing Tesla, Nvidia, and the next AI stock, there's a company most people overlook, but it's quietly outperforming. Carpenter Technology, ticker symbol CRS. This isn't a startup, it's an old-school metal and materials company, but the numbers are hitting like a tech stock. Carpenter Technology specializes in advanced alloys and materials. Think aerospace, defense, energy, and now AI chip manufacturing. Their metals power jet engines, spacecraft, and mission-critical infrastructure. And while most people don't know the name, the big players definitely do. In their latest earnings report, CRS reported $1.88 per share, up from just 12 cents the year before. Operating income rose 53% year over year to over $137 million. Operating margins now sitting at 29.1%, a massive jump from 21% just last year. Even bigger, their earnings per share are up over 1,400% in just a few quarters. Free cash flow for fiscal 2025 is projected between $250 to $300 million, and they've already bought back nearly $78 million worth of stock this year. Carpenter isn't chasing hype, they're locking down real contracts. Their materials are in demand across sectors that aren't slowing down. Defense spending, jet engine production, and the rise of AI hardware, where precision metals are absolutely critical. They're also on Investors Business Daily's leaderboard, alongside names like Nvidia and Broadcom. That's not a fluke. They earned a top-tier composite rating and a buy-point breakout signal. Wall Street expects another 54% earnings growth this year and 23% next year. Earnings per share are projected to reach nearly $9 by 2026. Right now, the stock is trading around $278, close to all-time highs, and still showing strength. This is the kind of setup serious investors look for: strong demand, explosive earnings, and no mainstream noise. Carpenter Technology isn't sexy, but the returns are loud. In a market full of hype, this is the kind of company that delivers without the spotlight. You don't need to chase what's trending. Sometimes the real play is the one hiding in plain sight. This is the lesson, where we don't chase, we calculate.